Where is NDIANG'UI? NDIANG'UI akorirwo agithondeka poster some days before mũrũrũngano wa 25th of June. Na poster-inĩ ĩyo yarĩ na program ya ũrĩa mũrũrũngano ũgũthiĩ na mbere kuma thaa 3 nginya thaa 8. Na pale hivyo kwa hiyo poster alichatisha. Kwa hiyo poster nayo alichatisha. Kurerikana ati hena report kuria kwa DCI ati ni makorirwo makirecover majority of the electronic gadgets iria ari nacio laptops, thimu na maundu macio mothe maria maybe makionire nimo electronics icio nicio cia huthirirwo gukorwo cige post eo kana you never know, but ni maugire ati mathire gwake kino magikora nyumba yake no makimwaga. Nyumba-inĩ magikora thimu igire, laptop igire, but they didn't go with him because they didn't find him. And now since that day NDIANG'UI ndakoretwo akionekana. Very sad since tondu ni gukoretwo na ciuria cia NDIANG'UI athire ku. Tonete aciari ake magi complain na magikia ihoya kuri thirikari na andu aria magikorwo moi kuri ari makorwo makimacokeria mwana wao. Na all eyes cikoretwo ciri hari DCI. Muthenya wa muthi hwaini DCI ni makorirwo makirekereria ndumiriri. Na hari ndumiriri iyo maugire ati matioi kuria NDIANG'UI ari na onao no mende kumwira ati hari ari erehe ni arethwo.
NDIANG'UI KINYAGIA was a person of interest to us. After publishing very inflammatory material in the social media, I'm sure you all saw about the timetable and so on and so forth, which was trending in the social media. And our preliminary investigations established that that social media account belonged to the so-called NDIANG'UI. And we profiled him, we identified his residence, and our officers conducted a search at his apartment in Keno. Unfortunately, he was not in his apartment, but we managed to conduct a search and we were able to recover an assortment of electronic gadgets that we believe would be useful to us in our investigations. And we were able to do an inventory, which inventory was clearly countersigned by the caretaker of those apartments. So mine is to confirm to Kenyans that NDIANG'UI is not under the custody of the National Police Service. He is a person of interest to us, and wherever he is, I will urge that he submits himself and that he surrenders to the nearest police station.
Interesting since you mean mathire makioya thimu ciake ciothe igire, laptops I think no matiamuonire. Could this be a case of another person just going like that? Could this be hihi kwaya gukorwo thaa ici mundu ndoikaine kuri ari, kwaya gukorwo hena ciuria nyingi muno ciigie disappearance ino, because clearly we can all see niki gitumi kia mundu uyu anyitwo, but why will he go missing? Agoro hena mahetia mundu ekite afati gukorwo he should be tried in a court of law. Ntonire muthenya wa muthi Justice Chacha Mwita ni akorwo akiheana orders.
Thank you very much, fellow Kenyans. Today we appeared before Justice Chacha Mwita, the judge of the High Court, and we made an application for habeas corpus to produce the arrested person, one Mr. NDIANG'UI KINYAGIA, before a competent court of law. We have the facts that the DCI arrested this gentleman in his house. An inventory was taken to show that he was indeed arrested on the 21st day of June. Up to date, 10 days later, he hasn't been produced, which means that he was abducted and he's incommunicado. And the directions have been given today by the judge, and he has stated clearly that the Inspector General of Police should produce NDIANG'UI KINYAGIA by tomorrow. If he doesn't do so, then he should appear before court tomorrow at exactly 11 a.m. So let us meet tomorrow. The IG, be prepared, come with our client. And the DCI boss has also been summoned together with the IG to appear tomorrow in court physically. Meet us there as we protect the inherent and inalienable rights of Kenyans. We know the rights of these Kenyans that can never be infringed. Thank you.
Ndiyo horo yo guthirira ko. Sijui mambo itaishia wapi because there are a lot of cases. Kuna kesi nyingi muno cia andu tutoi mathire ko. Atujui kulienda aje, atujui what is really happening. Atujui, we don't know. Tutireketie na kesi ya Albert Ojwang. Tutireketie nayo. Tutireketie na kesi neyo Boniface Kariuki nake ni akua arathiirwo mururungano-ini wa Justice for Albert Ojwang. June 25th hena andu angi agatwendi marakuire. NDIANG'UI niwe ucio ndaronekana. Hena ungi Peter KINYAGIA na kere muru tha ici entorekia uko tukiona kuria live TikTok akiabductwo. What is really happening? And what is the end game? Gaturu ko horoniki, like what is... Anyway, guys, need you one makumegi horoyo. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.
Assortment of electronic gadgets that we believe would be useful to us in our investigations. And we were able to draw an inventory, which inventory was clearly countersigned by the caretaker of those apartments. So mine is to confirm to Kenyans that NDIANG'UI is not under the custody of the National Police Service. NDIANG'UI is not under the custody of the National Police Service. He is a person of interest to us, and wherever he is, I will urge that he submits himself and that he surrenders to the nearest police station.